For a large or small J-hook arm, follow these installation instructions. Here's how to install a Rain-X PrecisionClear wiper blade on a J-hook arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. First, flip open the cap on the top of the blade. Next, insert the opening of the adapter into the hook part of the arm and slide the wiper blade up until it's snug. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. If the cap does not close, the blade is not fully seated on the arm. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X PrecisionClear wiper blades.